Looking for something sweet and frizzy that is best for your gut? What's up mga Lodi? For today's video, napadaan nga ako sa may SM City Clark meeting place and guess what? I stumbled upon their food fest. At isa nga sa pumukaw ng aking atensyon ay itong premium frozen kefir soft serve. At first, it looks like frozen yogurt but it's not. It's kefir, a creamy dreamy probiotic soft serve that's layered with juicy fruits and topped with premium drizzles. Each tub is packed of up to 40 billion live probiotics to keep your gut healthy and your craving satisfied. Plus, it is 100% lactose-free with no added sugar and carefully crafted with all natural ingredients. It is purely indulgence with zero guilt. They've got a bunch of flavors to choose from like the banana caramel, Oreo brownie, mango biscoff, and the one that I ordered is the pistachio dream. It is layered with sweet banana slices, sliced almonds, and silky pistachio sauce with real pistachio bits. The tangy kefir blends perfectly with the pistachio sauce and sweet bananas, and the almonds adds a satisfying crunch. I also tried the mango biscoff and grabe nagustuhan ko nga rin ito. And next time, yun naman ang ordering ko. Kaya naman, if you're craving for something refreshing, guilt-free and good for your gut, swing by the SM City Clark the meeting place and treat yourself to this probiotic delight. Yun lang, thanks for watching, like, share, and follow for more.